Hi viewers, welcome back again in another video. Beloved, how are you all doing today? I hope everyone is doing great. Beloved, I have come to share with you a very quick and easy recipe. In today's video, I will be teaching you step by step on how you can handle your financial difficulties. This particular recipe is for those who are into a bondage of financial difficulties. Maybe things are not working for them. They want to move from grass to grace. They want to move to another level of financial breakthrough. They want people to call them blessing. I mean, you want every good thing that you laid on hand to prosper. Now, this video is for you. Or you want people to envy your success. You want people to envy your good luck. This video is for you. But before I go on, please, if you're watching me for months, for years, you haven't subscribed, please, after watching this video, hit that red button that says subscribe straight on your screen, and then do not forget to turn on your notification bell in order to be notified whenever I'm uploading new videos. And to my urges, to my returning subscribers, kudos to you all. I love you all. So, beloved, to remove financial difficulties out from your life completely, you need few ingredients. So, number one ingredient in our list is going to be our broom. In this particular recipe, you are going to be making use of new broom, the one that they have never used in sweeping before. You need it, okay? You need it. One. Another ingredient in our list is red oil. We all know what red oil is all about. Then the third ingredient is our beans. I made a video on how you can protect yourself against spiritual and physical bullets. So you need beans. You need 14 pieces of beans, just like so. You need 14 pieces of beans. That is number 3 ingredient. Number 4 ingredient in our list is going to be our camphor. This is camphor, okay? You need camphor. Then you need ekbobo stick, anti-witchcraft stick. Or if you cannot get a stick, if you have a powder like this, if you have the anti-witchcraft powder like this is the powder already, okay? Good and fine. Then you need water leaf. I think Anambra people call it mbolode, or Igbo people they call it mbolode. You need water leaf. Okay, so how will you do it? First, prepare your soap using camphor. Second ingredient, ekbobo. And third ingredient, water leaf, and then your black soap. Pound all this, the ekbobo stick and the camphor, pound it together, and then add your water leaf. Pound it well. I didn't say bitter leaf, please. Water leaf, pound it very well, and then include your your black soap. Do not add any extra water again. Pound it very well, and then save it in a white container. That is going to be your spiritual soap for removing financial difficulties out from your life completely. That is one set has gone. Then keep your soap. Then when you want to bath, fetch a full bucket of rainwater. Okay, now that rainwater, carry it straight to your bedroom, and then use this broom, put it on your bedroom floor, and then step under it. Do not use slippers, please. Remove your slippers. Step under this broom, and then use your red oil. Begin to rub it a little on your body from your head to your toe. As you're rubbing it all over your body, be making a prayer that whatever things that is bringing financial difficulties, whatever thing that's making you to go from grace to grass, that today is going to be the end of that. Make your prayer. I mean, you know the challenges in which you are passing through concerning your finance. I don't know if you're getting me. So be rubbing that red just a little bit from your head to your toe, and then take these 14 seed of beans, put it inside your water, that any hard thing in your life, that today they are all what coming to an end. Whatever thing that is making your finance to be a difficult one in your life, that today they are what going out from your body. That is the essence of us using these beans. Okay, then as you have done rubbing your oil, now begin to bet. Make sure that your leg is on this broom. Make sure that your leg is on the broom. As you are betting, be using the soap that I just described on how you can prepare it by yourself. Use that soap and then use your native sponge. If you have a native sponge, good. Whereby you do not have a native sponge, you can just use ordinary. You can use only the soap. Okay, use it to bet thoroughly. After betting, please allow the water to dry on your skin, and then allow the broom there and the beans that just fell off while you were betting to be on the ground. After some while, now use the same broom, gather the beans from the floor, and then keep it aside, allow it to dry thoroughly, and then you set it fire. That whatever thing that is making life not to be easy for you, whatever that is making your finance to be difficult for you to get, whatever that is causing hatred, whatever that is causing people not to love you, whatever that is making your wealth to be going down, this recipe also works for people who their wealth, when they get money, before you know it, people will begin to call them from distant place, this and that. We have a problem, and before you know it, your monthly salary or the money that you have already gathered just got finished. If you are having such problem, this recipe is for you, and I'll tell you, you will come back with testimony. So, beloved, if all these things that I just mentioned, if they are the challenges that you are facing, please do not hesitate to do that, because it's going to stop all of those things and you are going to be free by God's grace. So, beloved, that is just the end of the video for today. And if you want to order for my breakthrough soap, my favor soap, my cleansing soap, my single lady soap, that the ladies that want to marry in 3 months time or more, you don't want to miss that soap. That soap is everything. That soap is a bomb. Get that if you are still single and searching. Not ordinary searching, but you are looking for reasonable somebody who has cool cash. Cool cash. So guys, that is just the end of the video for today. If you need to order for my product, my number is 090-5982-5779. Again, 090-5982-5779. But I am still going to be dropping my number at this video title and then at the description box. See you guys on my next video. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to know more about how you can use beans to destroy your enemy, then you must need to subscribe and then give this video a huge thumbs up. See you on my next episode. Do have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye.